Good morning, good afternoon. We're gonna get started here in a sec. Let some people join up still. How we've been doing this morning, guys. We're gonna see what we can catch. I'm not sure what I want to do. If I want to trade anything quite yet, because I still want to catch longs morning sesh. We were catching those longs, and I want to see us take these lunch lows and then continue up. But I'm up on the. I don't want to like push it today. We already hit some good levels. We had a good range already today, but I want to see. I because the higher time frame, I think we're gonna have a shift. I want to see if maybe Tuesday today we could form that high of week, or maybe even Wednesday we form that high of week. But maybe today we might see it because we were trending pretty good during morning session. So the longs, I cut them along the way here, and I still want to play them if we can get an entry, like a PM session entry. So I'm not gonna force it, but I want to see it live with you guys, and we'll see what we can do. But yeah, let's see what we do here. And then just to recap kind of today, we had I'll go through, let me put an alert here to see what, just so we don't miss anything here. Got this one and this one. Okay, perfect. So let's go to the 15. I'll show you real quick daily wise why the longs really came in hard is because we were at this daily low and overnight we took out, the lows. But if you looked at our regular trading hour session here, we had right here. This is where we started today. So price was right here. This was previous day, previous session, PM session. So yeah, overnight we did take out the lows, but the regular trading hours we didn't take out these lows. So right at New York, I was waiting for us to take these lows, and then once we took these lows, we were running up to our imbalance, and even now we might even create high of day, high of week today or tomorrow. I want to see the longs continue, but in order to catch them now, I mean, we had our AM entry, we had a great trade in the AM session, but then PM wise, I to catch a PM trade, I want to wait for lunch liquidity to get rated, and then if we can break these lunch lows, it's going to set us up nicely because we have lunch sell side taken. We have our New York midnight opening price. The price could come just below that into that discount again. We have our 15-minute like order block right here. You can see our 5 minute. I mean, so it's going to be a nice discount for us to come test this out and then probably continue up if we can get that range today. So that's what I'm looking at. But yeah, I'm not going to force anything. I'm not going to rush into any trades. But yeah, I'm just going to pretty sit tight here, wait for something to form, and then we'll see what we can do. I don't want to see it break highs yet. If we start to break highs, I'm probably not going to trade this session, honestly, because we'll probably just continue up. I wanted to see if we can get a deeper, discount, kind of seeing us have a couple of things in our favor lining up, taking out sell side here, having that deeper discount, and then rip. But if we start pushing here, I'm just going to be done for the day. Already caught a good 300 ticks on these longs, so don't want to overdo it. But it was crazy. The chop this morning was ridiculous. I mean, if you really didn't pay attention to like overnight the uh the regular trading hours, how it took out the PM lows, you could have got really confused, like, because it looked choppy as hell in here. Yeah, at this point, I'm not going to play the shorts either because I want to see longs ultimately. Um, so I don't want to play shorts here because, yeah, we have a little imbalance order block here. You know, we're in a premium of this range. And I do want to see price drop, but I'm not going to play the shorts because I want to stay on my side order flow and then catch that actual good entry. Johnny John. It's good. There we go. I still mute. I don't even know how to do this.
Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah, it was good, John.
Not much. What are you guys up to?
Not much. Waiting for. I want to see longs eventually. I don't want to take the longs here. I was telling them I want to wait for price if we can come down to here and then catch some longs. But if not, I'm gonna just sit on hands for the rest of the day. I mean, morning was pretty good.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. Yeah, we got that 4 hour on NQ. Are you trading ICT on this one?
Yep.
Yep.
Pretty much.
All
We
right.
could talk over whatever though. If anyone has supply and demand questions or anything, we could kind of go over that analysis of it too. Because we could even. Cause you're about to say what 4 hour we got a little supply here.
Yeah, that's the only one I'm looking at that has substance next to our price right now.
That's why it could be good. We could get a little retracement here, and then from here coming down. Even looking at the hourly, see these lunch lows. You look at the
Uh huh.
hourly, it's that bullish order block here, so it's liable to want to come down, react to that bullish order block possibly, and then continue ripping.
Yeah,
But
no, that's what I'm thinking.
could be good short entry here too. Definitely. I was thinking I want to get some shorts, but I just don't want to push it. I don't want to play, a little scalp when I'm really looking for longs. But
Same. Yeah, and I already made some profits today. I'm trying not to, burn anything.
if you guys see a setup for supply and demand too, take. We got a 4 hour supply we're in right now, and it does look we could get a little drop for sure.
How was your weekend?
It was good. I'm still freaking quarantining over here. I still got COVID.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, it sucks.
Rip.
Yeah, I don't know how long I'll be positive for. I feel
Is
good.
it bad? Are you super sick or what?
No, I feel good, but I'm just positive now.
Yeah.
Coughing a little bit, but sucks. These people I could be positive for like 2 months. Who knows? It
Gosh, that'd be
sucks,
horrible.
man.
I
I'm just
lost
about
my
to
sense
grab
of.
light. I'm gonna grab because I'm done for the day, guys. I'm on my prop account, so I'm gonna go really light,
Order filled.
very light. And I just got in one micro, guys. That's how light I'm playing it because I don't even want to play the shorts. But looking good. I want to see it take the lunch lows. If we can start to trend down here, then I'll get in actual size down here. But I don't want to just sit here and just watch it, you know. So I got in
Yeah,
one
I think.
micro. That's like no risk, guys. So assess it properly too. I mean, I'm risking one micro. If it pumps up to these highs, that's $25 I'm risking. That's nothing.
Yeah, I went in light as well, just off of these recent highs, playing off of it.
And then yeah, if it's 5 minute order block, we can kind of break below it. Let's see, 1 minute. If we could see some structure forming, could be good. Let's see. It is 2 o'clock, so silver bullet time is right now. This could be a silver bullet. 'Cause, I mean, it's right now 2 o'clock, and we're right inside of a fair value gap. So let's just see. This could be quick silver bullet shorts.
Yeah, for those asking for TP on just a short time frame, not looking long, around 41 is where I'm kind of aiming for those recent lows, trying to break through that trend.
Like right around here.
Yeah.
Yep, that's good. That's safe. So with that one up 26 ticks so far, quick little push. Let's see though. Want to rip down. I want to see us rip past this quickly, and then give us a
Yeah,
little bit of
I know.
support.
On the 1 minute, I've got that trend on the upside.
Got that 5-minute order block. Got a little 1-minute imbalance. We got pretty good here. And like I said, guys, risk accordingly with your account. You don't want to be sizing up like 5 minis on a trade if you can't really afford more than 50 ticks with a stop loss. So, let's see. Because pretty much we have a 5-minute imbalance. We came up really high to it though. That's what I don't like. So I want to see this area get invalidated real quick.
Yeah, I don't want to see it break these recent highs, guys. So that's where I'm playing off of. I like how ES is looking breaking through those recent lows, but we still are following that upward trend on NQ. So we got to be cognizant of that.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Not really. I'm in super light on these shorts. We'll see. But yeah, we did get in lightly on the shorts. But I just don't want to go heavy because, I mean, to me, institutional order flow is long. I want to see it bullish. But
Yeah.
I want to see it come down here. But entry for me, I got in one micro at 15550.75. So right. Yeah, right here. My entry. Right at the top of this down close candle. Yeah. It's a good entry and it's really tight risk on this trade. So
yeah, there's nothing, not risking much at all.
Stop loss, I mean, I don't have a hard one set right now, but hard stop honestly would be above these highs. Should be. I'm just so light right now, I don't really care, but hard stop would be looking at the 5-minute, above. We shouldn't be going above here. Once we start going above here right now, I think we're going to be gravitating more towards the highs. We'll see. But
yeah, if we don't break now.
yeah, I'm going to get out of these shorts probably. Let me see. I want to see this candle close.
I got my stop right at break even now. I'm at 556.
1 minute, yeah, it's not showing it wants to break lower quite yet, but I want to see how we hold this little range here. Yeah, it's like right now 212. But we've been forming lows of day. We had um, during London, we formed right here low of day. So this is why I was also thinking long bias. We had low of day formed in London. We were bullish. New York opened. We had low of day forming as well, and then we bumped from it. So that's why this lunch session, I want to see these longs honestly continue. So they might even be just so aggressive that we don't even need to take lunch lows. See.
Yeah, just ride the wave to the top.
Order filled.
I got out. I was down 13 ticks.
Yeah, my stop loss is about a hit. I'm at 56. It's break even for me. I got partial position at the bottom too.
It's liable to rip, but I just want to be careful because I mean I could have just held the longs the whole day. I was a little butthurt too. These, it came up to the 4-hour imbalance. I cut it here, freaking ripped. So
yeah, that's nice.
we'll see. I mean, we got this 5-minute order block. I like this look. You still in the shorts, John?
Actually, yes, I do have one position open, still at 56, which is break even.
It definitely could still happen.
It's risk-free trade for me, guys. So I'm just seeing what happens.
Let's see. I wanna mark out this. Damn, this Zoom thing is like blocking my stuff here. There we go.
I know my whole setup's been crapping out on me today, trading off my phone.
Yeah, same. I think, I don't know, our area, the internet might be getting all weird because my internet was all down.
Yeah.
So I want to see this imbalance. I want to see this sell side imbalance. We're kind of now treating this as inversion almost. So we came up above it. We're kind of using it as support almost. So let's see. I'm gonna get a couple.
Yeah,
Order
I
filled.
just got out
Order
now, guys.
filled.
I got in a couple longs because, I mean, we could have played this imbalance short, but it's almost looking like we might use it as support right now. So let's see. Because it's been pretty bullish today. Institutional order flow is bullish. Want to see the longs, but we got entry about right here. I just like how this 5-minute sell side imbalance, we're holding above it. The body came down to it. We held it from the body. We have this 5-minute bullish order block. So I want to see how this 1 minute will kind of hold us up. It's looking like we might want to just keep ripping. And if so, lunch highs, that would be an objective. If we can catch all the way up there, that would be minimally about like 40 ticks. Let's just see. And then above that, we could aim for these relative equal highs right here. So these 4-hour old highs.
There we go.
Probably do that. Let's go.
Looking good.
Barely up though. That's not even much to get excited about, but let's see.
Yeah, I just like that break. I mean, we're following trend. We're breaking through.
But it just looks good to me so far. I like this acting as support here.
Yeah, I do as well. Getting some good momentum.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I mean, we're up a little. We're up minor, up 18 ticks. We got to be careful now. So the lunch high, not super careful, but lunch highs, we don't want to have a swing point here. So I want to see us kind of now use this as support. So even if we rip above this, we got to now bounce off of it.
Yeah, that's TP1 for me, but I'll definitely leave most of my position.
Yeah, this is a good TP1, guys, for sure. About 50 ticks here. Not even, about 36 ticks. 40 ticks.
Yeah, that's so clean.
Very good.
I got one partial position trailing at that TP level right now, guys.
I'm kind of aiming for these 4-hour old highs, and then above this, we could aim for weekly high if you really want to, but which would be Or I was thinking up here to this daily high that we swept out already. This could even act as like a failure swing. This could be like, a good take profit too up here. That's good profits there too. Because price is even liable. It might want to come up. And then if this was the actual liquidity grab, it would come up here. It could be a failure swing and then just bounce right off of it. So, and this would still form high of week because this is the current week's trading. So it would still form high week right here. And then, so this is a good target, possibly.
Yeah, I like it.
Fucking ripping, boy. Let's go. I don't know if anyone's in these, but we're up about 50 ticks here.
Yeah, I'm at 55 right now. I got two of my positions still open. I got out of some right at that 4 hour.
Get it. I would scale probably half off at these 4 hour highs. It's a good 100 ticks ish around here.
Yep, Igor, that's what I did. My stop loss is now, it's a risk-free trade for me. But I want to see where we're aiming for those old highs. Look, I mean, we have a lot of potential and momentum moving up right now.
Yeah. See, we took the lunch highs, and let's watch it maintain above it. Which we are. I love to hear.
70 ticks right now.
Yo. Got you guys. Glad we caught that good little scalp right here. Even to here.
Yeah.
A nice 64, 60, 70 ticks right here.
I got partial position, one stop sitting at 566, guys. But I just to prevent any fast movement down, but I do want to see us fulfill to those highs, so I'm going to leave it open most of my position, or about a third of my position.
Because we took the lunch highs. We have a little bit of a rejection block right here, but I still feel like it's going to want to take our premium PD array.
Yeah, I got a third of my position still open.
It's made the choice, and I think it's showed us the side so far that it wants to take. Let's see this now. Bounce off of here. If we start to break below these lunch highs, that's when I would consider getting out based on how it's moving. Not immediately on the first break, but we got to just see how it reacts to it and then consider our exits while we're still in profits. Probably one more pump for me. I'll probably just get out.
Yeah, I took most of my profit off at those two levels, guys, but I still want to see it come through. I just don't want to watch a full break to the downside. But I got my stop sitting around 56, so still in profit for me. So totally risk free, and we already took some off.
Perfect. Yeah, that's good at this point. Even 50 to 100 ticks, starting to move that stop to break even or start to trail it around 50 to 100. It's pretty safe. You don't want to trail it too early, but I mean, this is a good, decent point to start to trail it. We don't want to see it break down much here.
Yeah. For my entry, we got 75 ticks at the high.
Yeah, I'm going to cut it. For me, I'm going to be fully out of these 4 hour old highs. Just call it a day. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm sitting, my last stop now is at 62. Like if we get break those recent lows that just formed, I'll move to get out.
Any guide on how to properly trail? I mean, it's pretty much you just can't do it too early because if you, like right here, let's say we pushed up to here and then we drop here. I mean, this is such a cherry picked like example. But I'm like, even let's say right here, we pushed up here, you grabbed a long here. you don't want to be putting your stop below like immediately, the current range lows. You want to keep it a couple ranges away. A good rule of thumb too is kind of watch the 15 and the 5 minute, and you want to trail your stop around kind of like 5 minute ranges. You don't want to be doing it too tight. So if you see the 5 minute expand, it reacts to a range, it expands away from it. We still have a higher time frame target it wants to push up for. Then you could start putting it below previous ranges. That makes sense.
Yeah, that's exactly right. That's what I do, guys. It's like finding levels in the market. Like, don't be like, oh yeah, I'm trailing 15 ticks off. It's like play off of good levels in the market.
100%.
Yeah, and now just making sure I take profit. My last stop is just sitting below this recent lows that we just formed, just below that 4 hour.
Yeah, we just sit and wait now. The hard part's done. Now you just sit and watch it print. Let's see. 5, 5, 5. So that'd be about 90 ticks from my entry. That's not bad.
Yeah, that's clean.
That was a good reversal. We almost got those shorts, but we saw that flip, and we saw it kind of respecting this, and that was good. Good flip, guys.
Yeah, I still caught like $25 off that move.
On the short?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was a good entry too when we got in. It was up the top. Ooh,
Yeah.
almost want to get fully out here in a sec and just be done for the day, but
Yeah, guys, my stop's at 63.5. Just like if we break those recent lows, I'm out, taking profit, walk away.
the one-on-ones might be coming, guys, and we'll see. I mean, we're working on courses and mentorship kind of stuff, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. Yeah, I mean, pretty much all the ICT. Silver bullet, yep, 100%. Let's see real quick.
One of the best strategies out there. So many people find consistency using ICT.
Yeah, it's really cool. Because I mean, honestly, once you start to pay attention to it, you really see how like the time and price. There's certain times a day where certain things happen, and like it happens every day. Like you could really see it happen. It's really cool. But it takes a long time. I mean, it took me a good year, 2 years to really get fine tuned with it. Even my first year and a half trading ICT, I was trash. You got to go through that though. You have to have your personal development. It's inner circle trader. Potential silver bullet setup. And then silver bullet, yeah, to play the silver bullet, it's simple. I mean, you just kind of, if you know the ICT concepts of like, his PD arrays, you just wait for that time of day. So if you see at 2 to 3 in the afternoon, we're at, like a premium PD array that looks pretty decisional. And then you see also like higher time frame, we're bearish. So if we have a bearish area we want to get to, and it's 2 to 3, and we're in a very obvious premium area with a fair value gap, and it's 2 to 3 in the afternoon, that's your marker to be like, yeah, this is, the time to get in the trade, because the time is now also aligning with price action, and that's when you have that overlap that gives you extra confidence. But it's hard. I mean, it's you got to take your time with it. You can't dive into it and just think you're going to learn it in a month. You got to. I mean, really, it took me like 2 years already. I'm still not. I'm still. Everyone's always still learning. Even about yourself, you're going to be learning about your psychology and stuff like that. But cool. Sorry for the little rant, guys. Let's see if we get this pump though. Taking a long time.
I know.
Here we go.
There it
You
is.
guys could hold. I'm gonna be done for the day. I already caught my moves. This is gonna be like almost 500 ticks on the day.
I'm trailing now. I'm at 170. Or 570 is my stop, guys. We get another pump. I'll be trailing like 20 ticks off, 15 ticks off, maybe.
Hell yeah, W's guys. Good job, John. Good job, everybody in here.
Oh, that was clean. That was mostly Tory playing that one. That was beautiful.
Out.
Order
Out.
filled.
Yeah,
Out.
I'm trailing. I'm trailing.
GG. And you guys could hold even if you want. I mean, it could rip and form high the week here, but I'm done. I don't want to trade anymore.
I'm at 75, guys, right now. Let's just stop.
Good job, guys. GG. John, you're still holding, yeah?
Yeah, still in one. I took off most.
Just keep trailing your stop if you want to. Like at this point though, so for you guys, for an example, I mean it's tough because if we got our entry here and looking at the 5 minute, you're realistically at this point you're still gonna have to have your stop around these lows because there's an imbalance here in the 5 minute and there's these highs and there's now a high, low, higher high. So as we're here, price might want to come down, discount, react to this breaker, react to this level of liquidity as support, and then continue back up. So if you have your stop here, you'll get stopped out, but the longs will still happen because it wants to come back down to a discount potentially, react to these areas, and then continue back up. So that's why trailing your stop, when you even see this, you want to keep it below here, maybe even at this body around here, just so you give yourself some range for it to fluctuate a little bit. But if you want to keep it at that last resort, because if you see it move below this, then probably it's not going to be going in your favor.
Yep. That's why scaling in and out is so important. Like I only have one con left, so I'm not, I'll be trailing closer than holding on those lower levels. Yeah, if I was in more contracts though, this would be beautiful. Just sitting in this for a while. I'm at 75, guys. We're getting close to me getting stopped out. Not holding at any specific level. Really just going after price now.
Hey, you were down. I'm glad you at least got back to break even, bro. That's awesome. That's awesome. I know it sucks being in that drawdown, but hey, you got back up to break even. That's a W, bro. Yeah, that's really it, guys. That's it. I mean, my daily target today was like this 4 hour imbalance. We way past it, so yes, sir, Danny. But yeah, good job today, guys. That was a good quick scout we got here.
Looks like it's gonna come hit.
Teach you the ways here. Oh, for real though, guys. I mean, if we could all master this stuff, damn, we're gonna be making bank this year. It's gonna be crazy.
All right, guys, I'm fully out now. Fully out. Beautiful. 100 for my entry, 107 to the top.
Yeah, let's call it. Let's just be done for the day.
Oh yeah.
That was good. That was a good move, guys. So hell yeah, I recorded this whole thing, so I'll post it in a little bit in case anyone missed it. But yeah, I'll probably just end it here. If you guys got any questions, let me know right now. If not, we'll call it. Steve. Pretty much every day. I mean, I like the morning session and the afternoon session, New York. Mainly trade New York session. Definitely. Yeah, we're all gonna be hopping on. We're just gonna be like rotating, kind of working on our flow. So we don't want to confuse you guys. We want to make sure we're getting the calls out to you and making it real clear on the lives. So, but we're all gonna be having our part in it. So, damn, John with the 820 dub, bro.
Yeah, that's clean, man. That's clean.
Sure. Good stuff, guys. I'm gonna hop off. I gotta do some other stuff here in a bit, but see you guys.
Sweet. Thanks for joining up, guys.
Peace out. We'll catch you tomorrow, guys.